Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a kind of wear test for the new Juvia'S foundation sticks. I didn't really want to do a 8-hour wear test, but I wanted to see how long it'll take before the foundation starts to break down on me. I wanted to see at what hour, like what point would I be getting oily. Usually around the 5-6 hour mark with all of my other foundations, I usually get oily. So I just wanted to see how long I could keep this on without it breaking down on me and me looking like a complete grease ball. So if you want to see what I think, stay tuned. To prime, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. And I like this one because it fills in my pores, and this one is the only one that kind of keeps me matte. So and then I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus in the matte formulation. Shake it up. The foundation that matches me the closest is the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the color 70 CB. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. In the color 70 CB. That is the closest that I've found so far. Well, this is Namibia. Ugh. Is that a match? Is that a match? Am I matching? Okay. Good job. Damn, this match good. And that's how much product is in the tube. I probably just used a lot. And then I'm gonna buff it out with my Sigma round kabuki brush. I usually, well, my favorite brush for foundation is the Real Techniques Instapot brush. You can see, yep, I got an angle and it really blends out really good, but it's dirty, so I'm not gonna use that. So and I'm looking over here because my mirror is right here. You can't even really even see it. Like, what? And it blended out really good. Like, I didn't have to fight with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye with the Too Faced Peach Perfect mattifying powder, caramelized peach. Now I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha. It is now get it 8:47, and this is what I'm looking like. It's like super. It's super oily up in this area, like always. It doesn't matter what I use, it's gonna get oily in that area. So surprisingly, I like this foundation. I'm gonna try to use it with my my Urban Decay foundation, and try to mix it with other foundations, and then other primers and powders and setting sprays and stuff. I'm gonna try to switch it up. I do like how it looks on its own, but to get the oiliness down, I'm gonna use it with something else. So yeah, this is the 3-hour mark. It don't look too bad. If I powder, let's see what that do. I like this, and I didn't think I was gonna like it because I had the first Velvet foundation and I like the coverage, I like how it applied, but it broke down maybe within an hour or two, and I didn't like that, so I took it back. So with the stick foundation, usually stick foundations aren't that oily skin friendly, so I just knew I was going to be oily really quick, but surprisingly it didn't happen that quick. It didn't happen, or I didn't get oily as soon as I thought I would. So yeah, I would, if you're like oily combination, normal, even dry, I would suggest this foundation. Now, the way it applies, it seems like if you had texture, that it may like drag when you're applying it, but if you don't really have a lot of texture, you should be fine. And I like blending it out with not this brush, either this Real Technique Instapot brush, or where is my brush? Or this round kabuki brush from Sigma. Yeah, these are the two shades I use, Namibia and Tunisia, and I use Namibia as like my foundation color, and I use Tunisia as my contour. And I feel like I can go a little bit darker with my with my contour color, but this should be fine because for the winter my skin is gonna get lighter anyway. So it is what it is. I do recommend the Juvia'S Place Stick Foundations. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye.